Shea butter has earned its place as a holy grail product in the natural hair community. Extracted from the nuts of shea tree, native to West Africa. This thick, creamy butter is rich in vitamins A, E, and F, and packed with essential fatty acids. For generations, African women have used shea butter for skin care and hair care, and its popularity has spread now globally. In the world of natural hair, shea butter is often praised for its incredible moisture retention properties. It helps seal moisture into the hair shaft, protects the ends from breakage, and adds softness and shine even to the driest coils and curls. It's especially helpful for people with high porosity or type 4 hair, which tends to be drier and more fragile. However, while shea butter has many benefits, there are also important things to keep in mind that aren't talked about enough. What people don't often tell you about shea butter is that despite its nurturing properties, shea butter is a very heavy product when used excessively or incorrectly. It can cause products buildup on the hair shaft. This buildup do not only makes the scalp feel greasy and uncomfortable, but it can also trap dirt and dust. Shea butter by its easily attract properties from the environment, especially if you are often outdoors or live in the dusty areas. As it builds up, it can clog the scalp pores, leading to itching, dandruff, and even scalp ache. In worst cases, an unhealthy scalp environment can also slow hair growth. While many assumes that slathering more on shea butter means more growth, the opposite can happen if the scalp is not clean and balanced. Another common mistake is applying shea butter on dry hair. Shea butter is a sealant, not a moisturizer. This means it locks whenever moisture is already present. But if your hair is dry when you apply it, you are just sealing its dryness. This can lead to brittle strands over time. How to use shea butter effectively for hair growth? Number 1, always use water-based leave-in conditioner or spray your hair with water before applying shea butter. This ensures you're sealing its moisture, not always dryness. 2, use it sparingly. A small amount goes a long way. Focus on the ends of your hair, which are the oldest and most prone to breakage. 3, avoid applying directly to the scalp too often. If your scalp needs nourishment, use lighter oils like jojoba oil or hair tea oil that minimize the scalp natural sebum. Mix it into whip butters. Blend shea butter with lighter oils like coconut oil, olive oil, or grapeseed oil to make it easier to apply and less likely to clog your scalp. Clarify regularly. If you use shea butter often, make sure to wash your hair with clarifying shampoo or cleansing clay to remove buildups. Shea butter is a powerful ally in your hair growth journey. If used with care, don't fall into trap or thinking more is better. Understand your hair first needs. Listen to your scalp and find the right balance. When and used correctly, shea butter can help retain length, reduce breakage, and keep your hair looking lush and healthy.